In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a YouTube outro template for in your end screens. So if you want to make or download your own YouTube outro, then keep watching the video and I'll show you how you can do that. Now I'm going to show you two different ways. One of those is to go to a free stock footage website. Now you can go to Pixabay or Pexels.com. Now once you're on that website, you can type in YouTube. So type in YouTube right there. And they're then going to give you all of these outro templates. You want to filter this on videos, and you can then download these on your own videos. So right there, they have a template. This is another one, and this is another one. So you can download these templates for free. Here's another cool one as well. So you can check out these templates, and you can download them and use them. And these are copyright free, as you can see right here. Free for commercial use, no attribution required. So you can click on free download, download the files. They'll then save those on your PC or on your device, and you will then be able to use those outro templates in your YouTube videos. Now, I'm not sure why they're not loading. It's probably my Wi-Fi that's really slow right now. So hopefully I can show you guys how these outros look, but here you go. Okay, so we can do it like this. So this is what the outro looks like. So it looks pretty professional. You can also use this one. Now this one is a bit different. I also like this one, to be honest, but you can check it out yourself. So go to pixabay.com, then go to the search bar, type in YouTube, and you can then download these outro templates, or you can go to a website called Penzoid, and on this website you can also create outros. Now on this website you can also create intros, but outros as well. As you can see right there, they have a clip maker, backgrounder, and video editor. Now what you guys can do, you can scroll down and you can find these templates. So click on more creations. And in this list, you'll then be able to find outros, which I'll show you in a bit once this loads. As you can see right there, this is an example from an outro that you can use. You click on it, you click on opening clip maker, you then get rid of the other tab if you want to, and you can then start customizing your own YouTube outro. So you can do that by clicking right here. Let's see, objects, and you can then add the text, you can customize it, but you can also check it out right here. So you can click on the eye and then click on play. And they're then basically gonna play that outro. So I'm not sure why this is not playing right now. Oh, right there, I have to select it, of course. So click on the outro template. It's then gonna load it in the Penzoid editor, and you can then start customizing it, and you can then later on download that as well. Okay, so right there, this is the template. You can then click on objects, click on text, and you can then customize the text to your channel name maybe. So put in how to digital. And there you go, that's now the text. Now, if you don't like this, you can play around with the size, just like that. And there you go, you can then customize all of this. Once you're done customizing, you click on start video render, and you've then made your own YouTube outro. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on the video, and let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.